Have you heard of barley? Have you tried it? If you have watched my 11 high-carb foods you should be eating, you would have learned that this underrated grain is one of the world's oldest superfoods and is loaded with all the essential nutrients. Barley water is an incredible drink which our ancestors included in their daily diet. When I was growing up, I remember drinking barley water on a regular basis. If you consume barley on a regular basis, it will keep your colon and intestines happy. It will control your blood cholesterol levels, you will maintain your skin elasticity, and you will strengthen your immune system. Plus, it's extremely affordable. Barley contains about 62% of dietary fiber, and you will be getting 20 to 25% of your daily fiber in just one serving. The best way to use barley is to simply treat it like rice, oats, or any other grains. You can make stir-fried barley rice, risotto, stew or soups, or toss it into salads. So I'm going to share with you 4 really simple recipes which you can make for breakfast, lunch, and also dinner. Let's start with breakfast. We got a barley porridge on the menu. It's really simple. In a small pot, combine 1/4 cup of pearl barley with 3/4 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Lower the heat and simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until the water has been absorbed and barley is completely soft. Then stir in about 1/2 cup of milk and allow it to simmer very quickly until you get your desired consistency. Remove from heat. So I've served mine with 1 sliced banana, 1 tablespoon of apricot seeds, and about 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. You can choose to drizzle with a little bit of honey. Having a fiber-rich breakfast will keep you going till lunchtime. So each bowl has about 460 calories. The chewy and tender texture of barley is very similar to oatmeal. Plus, it is very easy to digest. So you can swap your breakfast and replace oats with barley. Let's make lunch. I have barley and beet salad on my menu. For this recipe, you can use barley as a replacement for rice, couscous, or quinoa. Salads are my go-to lunch because most of the ingredients do not require cooking. So what I've used are 1.5 cup of cooked barley, 2 cups of baby spinach, 1/2 cup of purple cabbage, 2 beets cooked and sliced, about 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of feta cheese cubed, 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon of apricot seeds, about 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. It's so simple. All you have to do is assemble all the vegetables together. Then drizzle with olive oil, lemon juice, and honey. And serve! You're getting the earthy flavor from the beets combined with the chewy barley texture, crunchiness from the spinach and cabbage, and tanginess from the feta cheese. It is so simple, it's delicious, and it's so colorful. And each serving only has about 314 calories. Lunch is about keeping it simple, quick, and healthy. So try this recipe out and choose any other vegetables of your choice. And with your leftover barley, here's another really simple lunch you can put together. Stir-fry barley rice. Without the rice, of course. What I've used are 1.5 cups of cooked barley, 1 medium carrot diced, about 1/2 cup of mushroom sliced, 1/2 red bell pepper diced, 1.5 cups of cabbage shredded, 1 whole zucchini diced, 1/2 head of broccoli cut into florets, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. In a pan, heat oil over medium-high heat. Then stir in all the vegetables: garlic, mushrooms, carrots, zucchinis, red bell pepper, broccoli, and cabbage. Saute them very quickly for 3 to 4 minutes. Then mix in the barley, soy sauce, and also salt and pepper to taste. Toss all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined. This dish is delicious warm or chilled, and each serving only has about 314 calories. Packing in lots of vegetables is the key to keeping your fried rice healthy. Plus, you're getting your rainbow. I wanted something comforting for dinner, so I'm making barley and beef stew. For this recipe, you'll need 1/2 cup of pearl barley, about 300 grams of beef ribs. Let's prep all the vegetables. Chop up 1 carrot, a cup of celery, a cup of mushrooms, and 1 onion. In a pot, melt about 1/2 tablespoon of butter over medium-high heat. Then sear the beef pieces. You want to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Set aside. Now in the same pot, add in the chopped onions and saute until fragrant and slightly brown, just for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then stir in the mushrooms and cook very quickly until slightly tender for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the beef back into the pot. Add in about 2 cups of water and sprinkle with half a teaspoon of dried basil. Then allow the beef to gently simmer under low heat until very tender for about 1 hour. Once the beef is tender, add in the remaining ingredients: barley, celery, and carrots. Continue to cook all the ingredients until they are very tender for at least 45 to 60 minutes. Now if you like your meat falling off the bone, then cook for another additional hour. Serve hot. Each serving has about 418 calories, and this is a one-pot dish, so you can double up the ingredients and cook it for a huge family. You can even choose to serve it as a starter. So try all these different barley recipes out and let me know which is your favorite in the comments below. If you haven't yet tried barley, you have to give this super grain a chance. You will love it. You will love the chewy and tender texture of barley. Don't forget to snap pictures, tag me at Joanna Soh Official and hashtag JSohRecipes. Do like this video, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more healthy and delicious recipes. Do check out my workout challenges as well, okay? So eat well, stay healthy, stay active, and all the best!